Today, we're going to talk about companion planting and crop rotation. Companion planting is the practice of planting certain types of plants together that can benefit each other. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can help to repel pests that can damage the tomatoes. Another example of companion planting is planting beans and corn together. The beans can climb the corn stalks and fix nitrogen in the soil, which can benefit the corn. Similarly, planting carrots and tomatoes together can help to deter pests that target both plants. Crop rotation is another important gardening technique. It involves planting different types of crops in the same location each year. This helps to reduce the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil, and also helps to improve soil fertility. For example, if you plant tomatoes in the same spot year after year, pests and diseases that infect tomatoes can build up in the soil, making it harder to grow healthy tomatoes. But by rotating your crops, you can avoid this problem. By using companion planting and crop rotation techniques, you can improve your garden's health and productivity. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!